again, TechDaveMT here, and today I bring you the Google Chromecast with Google TV. As you can see, the new Chromecast is permitting us to view all these here: YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus. It has even a remote. In our case, the set is white, but there are two other colors if I'm not mistaken, the light blue and the pinkish one. Here it says instructions that you can watch even more than 700,000 plus movies, maybe on Netflix. And here it shows you how simple it is to set it up. Plug and play. You plug the Chromecast behind your TV. This time it will need a power supply for itself, as you can see here, and the remote to enable you to command it, even though, as you can see, there is also the Google Assistant embedded in it, so it's easier. Shall we unbox it using our Gerber knife that I showed you last video? So, from here. So it opens like this. First we are greeted with the Google Chromecast itself, but we'll leave that for later. Then we have the remote. We'll see it in a moment. And here we have the instructions that Google places in its box to show you how it's done. I put this here. You have the power brick. Everything is very neatly packed up by Google. Appreciate that. And the power brick itself. Oh, it even gives you the batteries, and they appreciate it. Not everyone does. They give you the batteries, which is a good thing. Then you have the brick, and you have the wire. You can remove those for now. Let's see the remote first. It's a clean box. And there you go. A nice, cool, white, clean design remote, as you can see here. We have even the Google Assistant in black here. Carousel keys, the home button, YouTube and Netflix buttons too. And that's for the batteries to go in. And here's the Chromecast itself. As you can notice, it's the usual Chromecast, but this time round it's rather more oval, if I may and more flat, as you can see, because I have the other Chromecast which are more thick and more circle. This is more oval and more flat, and it has its power supply here to go into the TV. So that's it. I will show you next time how it all went on the TV. Now let's move the knife for now. And that's the new Chromecast with remote and Google TV. I will link for you down below if you are interested to purchase. Thanks for viewing. Like, comment if you want. Until next time, see ya.